My name is Alex Coldea. So I founded a tech company. It's a food labeling solution that just brings a boost in compliance for the venues across the UK in terms of food safety, whether it's stock rotation or pre-packed products for direct sale. We just help venues with compliance and bringing that safety element on board. So I studied computer science with a year in industry at Swansea University. During university, I just feel we were in this environment where we had all of the opportunities to thrive in a business-like mindset. The entrepreneurial team, they've been very supportive, and we've had one-to-one sessions on a monthly basis. There were lots of events where you could go and meet other students, and helped us with just trialing our solution on campus and just giving us a feel of what it's like working with the business, and it was just awesome. We are a Swansea-based business, but we have so many users across London and other cities across the UK. Our plans are to become the leading food labeling solution across the UK, just grow organically. So for students trying to start up a business, there are lots of opportunities that you can access, either through the university or public funding that you can get either from Swansea Council, the Prince's Trust, and various competitions where you can pitch your startup. They also believe that with a university like Swansea, you can really progress with your company even if you started while you're a student.